Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search within the categories in the Tiendeo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the home button at the bottom of the page on the left. And at the top of the page, as you can see, you will find different tabs like recommended categories, retailers, latest. So just click on the one that you're interested in. And at the retailer section, you can find all the different shops in categories. So if you're interested in any of them, then just click on that. And you can find further informations. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.